Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that's making waves with its bold revival. The 2026 Pontiac LeMans is here, bringing back a legendary nameplate with a modern twist that's got muscle car fans buzzing. This isn't just a nostalgic throwback. It's a reimagined beast-blending classic style with cutting-edge tech and performance. So, buckle up because we're going on a deep dive to explore every inch of this car, from its head-turning exterior to its high-octane performance. Cozy interior, pricing details, and a few suggestions for Pontiac to make this ride even better. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, and we'll begin with the front. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 LeMans, it's clear Pontiac is paying homage to its heritage while pushing into the future. The front fascia is aggressive and muscular, with a modern take on the iconic split grille that screams Pontiac's DNA. Those sleek, razor-sharp LED headlights flank the grille, giving the car a predatory stare that's both intimidating and stylish. The hood is sculpted with functional vents, not just for show but to channel air to the engine for better cooling. A subtle nod to the classic GTO, the front bumper has a low, wide stance, with integrated fog lights that add a touch of flair. It's a design that feels retro yet futuristic, like a muscle car that's been to the gym and learned some new tricks. Moving to the side profile, the LeMans continues to impress with its sleek, athletic lines. The fastback roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, giving it that classic pony car silhouette that turns heads wherever it goes. The sculpted fenders add a sense of power, hinting at the muscle underneath. You'll notice the bold character. Lines running along the doors, creating a dynamic look that makes the car appear in motion even when it's parked. Wheel options range from 18 to 21 inches, with the top trim sporting gorgeous, multi-spoke alloys that fill out the wheel wells perfectly. Chrome accents are tastefully placed, like on the window trim and side mirrors, adding just enough bling without going overboard. The side also hints at the car's performance pedigree with subtle badging, think LeMans GT or GTO on higher trims, reminding you this isn't your average cruiser. Now let's swing around to the back. The rear of the 2026 LeMans is where things get really spicy. The taillights are a modern LED interpretation of the classic Pontiac design, with a slim, horizontal layout that gives the car a wide, planted look. The rear spoiler, standard on performance trims, isn't just for aesthetics. It provides measurable downforce at high speeds, keeping the car glued to the road. The dual exhaust tips, framed by a sculpted rear bumper, let out a deep, throaty growl that'll give you goosebumps. The trunk is practical too, with enough space for a weekend getaway or a set of golf bags, making this car as versatile as it is good-looking. Overall, the exterior is a masterclass in blending heritage with modern design, making the LeMans a car you can't stop staring at. Stepping inside, the 2026 LeMans welcomes you with a cabin that's equal parts sporty and luxurious. The interior strikes a balance between retro vibes and high-tech refinement. Slide into the supportive bucket seats, wrapped in premium leather on higher trims, and you'll feel like you're in a cockpit built for performance driving. The seats are adjustable, with lumbar support and heating options, ensuring comfort whether you're cruising or carving corners. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable, display everything from speed and RPM to navigation or performance telemetry. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen infotainment system, running the latest software with crisp graphics, seamless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates to keep things fresh. Physical buttons for climate control and key functions are a nice touch, making it easy to adjust settings without diving through menus. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather with contrast stitching, feels great in your hands, and paddle shifters come standard on automatic models for those who want a bit more control. Ambient lighting sets the mood, with customizable colors to match your vibe. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a car in this class, though it's clear the LeMans prioritizes the driver's experience. Cargo space in the trunk is practical, and the rear seats fold down for extra versatility. Fit and finish are top-notch, with soft-touch materials and brushed aluminum accents that give the cabin a premium feel. One small gripe: the base trim's cloth seats and plastic-heavy dash feel a bit budget-friendly compared to the upscale higher trims. Still, the interior is a place where you'll want to spend time, whether you're commuting or hitting the open road. Now, let's get to the heart of the 2026 LeMans, the performance. Under the hood, Pontiac offers a range of powertrains to suit different tastes. The base model comes with a 3.6-liter V6, pumping out around 335 horsepower, paired with a slick 6-speed manual or an optional 10-speed automatic. It's punchy enough for daily driving, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. Step up to the GT trim and you get a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 churning out a monstrous 670 horsepower and 650 pounds-ft of torque. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds with a quarter-mile time that'll make muscle car purists grin ear to ear. For those who want the ultimate thrill, the GTO trim offers a twin-turbo 6.6-liter V8 pushing over 700 horsepower, dipping below 3 seconds to 60 miles per hour supercar territory for a fraction of the price. The LeMans isn't just about straight-line speed. An adaptive suspension system smooths out rough roads while sharpening handling in corners. The steering is precise, with just the right amount of feedback, and the optional performance tires grip like glue. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those who want extra traction. The brakes, especially on higher trims, are biffy enough to handle the power with quick, confident stops. Fuel economy? Well, let's just say it's not the LeMans strong suit. Expect around 15 mpg city and 24 highway for the V6, and thirstier numbers for the V8 South. But if you're buying a LeMans, you're probably more concerned with horsepower than gas mileage. This car is built to thrill, and it delivers in spades. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 LeMans starts at around $35,000 for the base V6 model, which is a solid value for a car with this much style and performance. The GT trim with the supercharged V8 jumps to about $50,000, while the range-topping GTO with the twin-turbo V8 starts at $65,000. Fully loaded, you could push past $75,000 with options like premium audio, carbon fiber trim, and performance upgrades. Compared to rivals like the Dodge Challenger or Ford Mustang, the LeMans offers a unique blend of retro charm and modern tech, though it's pricier than some base models in the segment. The question is whether the Pontiac badge and its heritage are worth the premium. For fans of the brand, it's a no-brainer, but budget-conscious buyers might hesitate. So, what could Pontiac do to make the LeMans even better? First, offering a hybrid powertrain could broaden its appeal in an eco-conscious market. A high-performance hybrid with, say, 500 horsepower and better fuel economy could attract buyers who want muscle without the gas guzzler guilt. Second, the base trim needs a bit more love, upgrading the interior materials and adding a few more standard features, like a better sound system, would make it feel less like an entry-level compromise. Third, Pontiac should consider a convertible option for the GTO trim. Nothing says muscle car like cruising with the top down, and it'd be a shame to miss out on that experience. Finally, expanding the color palette with some bold, retro-inspired hues like a vibrant orange or deep green would lean even harder into the car's heritage. As we wrap up, the 2026 Pontiac LeMans is a triumphant return for a nameplate that's been missed for far too long. It's a car that blends the soul of the original with the tech and performance to compete in today's world. From its jaw-dropping exterior to its driver-focused interior and heart-pounding performance, the LeMans is a love letter to muscle car fans and a bold statement for Pontiac's revival. Sure, it's not perfect, fuel economy could be better, and the base trim needs a bit more polish, but there's no denying this car has personality in spades. Whether you're a die-hard Pontiac fan or just someone who loves a good thrill behind the wheel, the LeMans delivers an experience that's hard to beat. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2026 Pontiac LeMans. If you enjoyed this review, give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next one. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new LeMans. Would you pick the V6, the V8, or go all in for the GTO? And what classic Pontiac would you love to see revived next? Until next time, keep your engines revving and your spirits high. See you on the road.